Elon Musk warned, Shiba Inu coin will plunge even deeper. Shocking inside SHIB's story. Shiba Inu remains a favorite cryptocurrency holding among large wallet investors on the Ethereum blockchain. Despite the recent crypto meltdown, traders continue to scoop up SHIB coins. Today we are going to talk all about why Shiba Inu coin will plunge even deeper and why that's bullish for SHIB. So watch this video till the end because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Crypto, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on 29th of June. Shall we? Shiba Inu price is in extremely oversold territory on the relative strength index. When diving into the indicator a bit further, it appears a market bottom was established at level 24 in August of 2021 when the SHIB price traded at 628 cents. Shiba Inu price currently trades at 108 cents, just 20% above the key August 21 low, as the bears have established a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-day chart. The bulls have yet to display a powerful retaliation as an indecision candle persists throughout the third week of June's trading range. The mundane price action comes as no surprise as a recent blockchain audit uncovered by blockchain analyst at Intoff the Block uncovered over 80% of Shiba Inu investors were in the negative, seeing no profit at all from their investment. If market conditions persist, a retest of the August 21 lows will likely occur. Now let's get back to the topic. Despite the recent crypto bloodbath, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins in the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are relatively expensive for an investor to accumulate. For the same amount of capital deployed, an investor can snatch billions of Shiba Inu tokens across exchanges, instead of double or three-digit holdings in any other cryptocurrency. Experts at Bloomberg argue that Shiba Inu's decimals are the best marketing thing you could ever do for a cryptocurrency project. For an Ethereum-based token, 18 decimals are far from ideal. Shiba Inu-themed meme coins and new cryptocurrencies with relatively small market capitalization have ventured into bizarre territory. Buying one Shiba Inu coin costs a trader 822 cents at the time of writing, while one dogecoin fetches less than 1 cent. Experts argue that retail traders typically love penny stocks and dream of huge returns. A jump from less than a cent to $1 could imply your initial capital multiplies. Interestingly, about $50 can fetch a trader a million Shiba Inu coins, making it the penny crypto token for the community. Elsie Miner, executive chairman of Public Mint, was quoted as saying, "You see, with a lot of these meme coins, such as Doge and Shiba, retail investors are plowing money into them because they look cheap. There's a psychological element here. In many cases, where people think, oh, a whole Bitcoin is $65,000, but one Dogecoin is only 25 cents. 40,000 new traders now hold Shiba Inu. Join the SHIB Army. SHIB Army, the community of Shiba Inu holders, is now stronger with the addition of 40,000 new traders. Recent data puts Shiba Inu holder count at 1,181,649. That is 40,000 higher than the number at the end of April 2022. As Shiba Inu coins continue to be burned, meaning there is a reduction in the circulating supply, it has fueled a bullish sentiment among investors, and demand for the meme coin is supplemented. New SHIB Army members have scooped up Shiba Inu through the recent div. Shibaswap rewards unlocked. Shiba Inu coin's official Twitter handle announced the release of locked rewards in the archive section of Shibaswap. SHIB Army can claim the rewards hitting a single button after heading to the WOOF page for archives. Burn portal rewards are still in the process according to the official announcement. Analysts spot bullish divergences on Shiba Inu price chart. Valdrin Tahiri, a crypto analyst, evaluated the Shiba Inu price trend and noted that SHIB has decreased consistently after hitting its all-time high of 8,616 cents nearly a year ago. The meme coin is currently 90% away from its all-time high, and analysts have identified bullish divergences in the Shiba Inu price chart. Tahiri has observed a considerable bullish divergence in the daily RSI. In order to confirm the bullish divergence, RSI needs to move above 37, represented by the white line on the chart. Between the two divergences, if the Shiba Inu price breaks out of its short-term descending resistance line, it could resume its climb to 17 cents. Not surprisingly, Shiba Inu SHIB continued its downtrend today. This, after having already declined by 27% over the week. Thanks to the same, the meme coin was down by 91% from its ATH back in November 2021, At press time, trading at 795 cents at the time of writing, Shiba Inu is at a point where most coins reach their dead end. Even so, the meme coin is carrying on only because a chunk of its investors still think the crypto is worth it. However, even they are gradually pulling their support. Those who are moving their holdings around, even if not selling them, are facing losses regardless. This month alone, transactions saw more than 24 trillion SHIB worth $192 million changing hands. Each of these transactions were below the price point they were bought at. Recent FOMO-induced investors weren't alone in this, as the network also witnessed similar moves from SHIB holders that have held on to their assets for more than a year. This can be verified by the consumption of 3,611 trillion days, a consequence of investors moving their supply around. Even so, among those holding SHIB, 73 of them are the ones that need this rally the most. Why? Well, because this cohort of investors bought their holdings when the meme coin was trading at its all-time high price of 7,929 cents. Shiba Inu, SHIB, has proven a bit of an outlier these past few days when compared to most cryptocurrencies which have kept tanking. Bulls and SHIB were using the bounce off the red descending triangle as a reason to rally, but this rally has been beheaded by the Fed rate decision, which has forced SHIB investors to face reality. SHIB is already printing below 6% losses and could see more on the back of persistent dollar strength against a backdrop of inflation woes and monetary tightening. Wake me up when spring kicks and Shiba Inu price was set to pop higher in early morning trading during the Asia PAC session. But Asian traders had to quickly let go of that idea after the Fed made its most hawkish move yet. Although highly anticipated, markets still had to digest the uncommonly harsh rhetoric from Powell, which did not paint any bright pictures for the summer months, as the Fed has still not managed to get inflation under control. Further pressure is likely to mount on cryptocurrencies as this new global market sentiment looks to be going nowhere anytime soon. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you are a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin.